I gotta check out Dairy Queen's Candy Cane Chill Blizzard. I guess it's only around this month or something. Hi, can I get a, I guess, small candy cane chill blizzard, please?
Yep. Is that going to be everything?
Yes, it is, thanks.
It's going to be $5.40.
$5.40, thank you.
No problem.
$5.40? My goodness. How's it going?
Not bad, how are you?
Good. Are you selling a lot of them?
No, it's...
Really?
Well, it's pretty slow. It's pretty cold, right?
Yeah. Not many people think of ice cream in the winter.
Yeah, we have our busy few hours, and other than that, it's pretty slow this time of year.
Oh.
Do you want a lid?
No, I'm okay. Thanks. Hope this is tasty. Thank you kindly. Have a good one.
You too. Take care.
Take care. Okay, guys. It doesn't look like anything spectacular. I don't know if you can see that. Look at that. So, I don't know if this is going to be good or not, to be honest with you. I just like the sound of it. So here goes nothing. Okay, that's weird because when you bite down on it, you get little bits of candy cane, like go crunch, crunch, crunch. I don't know where the heck there's a train around here. Okay, what do they say about this? This thing has got peppermint candy cane pieces and Choco chunks. Yeah, so this is the blizzard of the month. See, it looks even white there. It doesn't. There, blizzard of the month. And okay, guys, I was just noticing it's minus 16 degrees outside right now. That's Celsius. You know, okay, I love Dairy Queen. Their blizzards are awesome. Now, I get the peppermint candy cane kind of taste, and it's crunchy, like I just crunched a little bit there. And the chocolate and the ice cream. I don't know. Maybe because it's so cold. You know, I'm eating ice cream. I'll eat ice cream anytime, but maybe it's so cold that I'm just not enjoying it. But it's kind of underwhelming. You know, I'm going to finish this off, of course, but I don't think I'm going to have this again. I'm not impressed with it. Don't think I'll have it again. Or I'm not going to waste it. Like I say, it's different. Nothing spectacular. It's too mild. It's nothing that's really delicious. So I'll take a pass. Dairy Queen, no, I'll pass. So guys, if you've been out and you've tried the Candy Cane Chill Blizzard, it's the blizzard of the month. If you've tried it, let me know what you think. I'm not a big fan. It's just kind of boring and it's not that great a taste. It's just kind of bland. Okay, guys. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe. You guys take care. Be safe on the road.